Hey, it's Kendall Stolz. I'm back to show you a tip on how to use the mineral powder foundation. So I love the mineral powder foundation because it's really finely milled. It comes in a lot of colors. And I'm going to show you a trick that when you get it, it has a sticker on it. And you can see how much product I have coming out. Do not remove the entire sticker. What you want to do is cut a little pie shape out of the sticker, and then it lets clearly a lot of product out. I like to take a fluffy brush. You can also take a powder foundation brush, and I pick up a little bit of the color, just like that. Then I'm gonna take the lid and I'm gonna swirl it in the lid so that the powder is fully covered on the brush, so you don't have big areas of clumps of powder, so that when you lay it on the skin, it doesn't grab and lots of color. So make sure your powder is evenly distributed. So we have concealer and some CC cream on right now. So I'm using the mineral powder to create a fuller coverage base. So close your eyes for me. And what I like to do is really gently come down the T-zone and the jaw. So I do not go too much on the eye area with the powder foundation because I just don't want it to get into any fine lines. And then I just come back, I pick up a second little coat, make sure it's swirled around easily and evenly distributed. And again, just repeat the action. I also, with the mineral powder, I like to come down the neck area a little bit just to blend. Because it's powder, it just goes on easy, and it just is a very natural transition to your neck. And that's how you apply the mineral foundation.